Hey everyone, today I've got some breaking news that might just have you looking up at the sky. There's an asteroid out there called 2024 YR4, and it currently poses the highest risk of Earth impact ever recorded for an asteroid of its size. We're talking 131 to 295 feet wide. Now, originally, both NASA and the European Space Agency calculated a pretty worrisome chance of impact, 3.1% and 2.8% respectively, in the year 2032. But as of February 19, 2025, NASA's updated observations have lowered this probability to 1.5%. These shifts are expected as more data is collected, so don't panic just yet. 2024 YR4 is currently at level 3 on the Torino scale. For those who don't know, the Torino scale measures the risk of collision with Earth, and a level 3 means there's more than a 1% chance of collision, enough to cause localized destruction. This is the highest rating since the asteroid Apophis, which briefly reached a level 4 before its risk assessment was downgraded. Speaking of Apophis, while it was larger and posed a regional threat, 2024 YR4, though smaller, holds the record for the highest impact probability and the longest duration with a probability greater than 1% for asteroids larger than 30 meters. So yeah, it's kind of a big deal. Astronomers are working around the clock using multiple telescopes, including possibly the James Webb Space Telescope in March 2025, to refine the asteroid's orbit and size. More data is expected to lower the impact probability even further. You'll be able to observe this asteroid until April 2025. After that, it won't be visible again until June 2028, when it's expected to safely pass by Earth. Fingers crossed. To wrap things up, Richard Binzel, the creator of the Torino scale, emphasizes that these fluctuating probabilities are totally normal. He expects future observations to eventually rule out an impact altogether. Let's hope he's right. So, while it's always good to stay informed, remember that science is on our side, doing everything it can to keep our planet safe. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, keep looking up but stay grounded.